Well, we had a bit of rain last night, so it's got the river moving a bit, which is really good. Everything's pretty wet and damp though. I can hear some lambs up the hill there. I think they're protesting, so I had some nice lamb chops for tea last night. Not a bad little spot. We'll put this one in the memory bank, or the neck top computer as I like to say. The main road's just not too far up there, but these are the great little spots I like to find, and having the navigation tablet with me is really working out well. So yeah, the main bridge is just up there, but I've just found this track coming down through here. It was marked on the Explorer Oz app, so great little spot. Anyway, we just packed up quickly to beat the rain. We'll head off and start heading south, I think.